in this video we will discuss one more numerical problem that is related with the proportionate method for price elasticity of demand. First of all, we will discuss the question. The question is, the consumer buys 160 units at a price of rupees 8. At a price of rupees 8 per unit. It means the initial price which is mentioned in the question, this price is 8 rupees per unit. Then price falls to rupees 6 per unit. Price falls from 8 to 6. Okay. Now the price is 6 rupees. How much quantity will the consumer buys at the new price? At rupees 8, consumer was buying 160 unit. After fall in price to rupees 6, the consumer will buy how much units of the commodity, and we have to calculate the Q2. But the condition is when elasticity of demand is given -2. Okay. This is the question. First of all, we will write down all the things which is given in our question. First of all, P1, P2, Q1, Q2. As given in our question, we can easily understand that P1 is rupees 8, P2 is rupees 6, Q1 is 160 units, Q2 is not mentioned. We have to calculate Q2, and elasticity of demand it is given, and this elasticity is -2. Okay. Before solving this question, I would like to tell you one thing, that if elasticity which is already given in our question, and if this elasticity is with a negative sign, in that case when we are using the formula, in that condition we are not supposed to use negative sign in our formula. Just like here, the solution for this numerical problem. First of all, we will write the formula for proportionate method. Elasticity of demand equals to negative sign delta Q divided by delta P, change in quantity demand divided by change in price, multiply by initial price divided by initial quantity. Okay. Here I have written that note, that if elasticity is given with a negative sign, in that condition there is no need to put negative sign into the formula. Like that, we are given elasticity -2, and I am writing here negative sign with 2. So I am not putting negative sign again in my solution. Negative sign which earlier we are writing in the formula, we are not supposed to write it. Why? Because we are taking the elasticity already in negative terms. So we will not repeat the negative sign here. Okay. Now we will put all the values into the formula. First of all, delta Q, that is not given because Q2 is not mentioned, so that we can't say that what is change in quantity. Delta Q divided by delta P, it means change in price. P2 minus P1. P2 is 6 rupees, P1 is 8 rupees. Multiply by P1 upon Q1. P1 is 8 and Q1 is 160. Okay. 8 and 16. Both of these numbers are divided by 8. 8 by 1 and 160. 16 divided by 8 for 2 times and 0. 160 divided by 8, it means 20. Okay. And the difference of 6 minus 8 is -2. I have written all these values once again. -2 equal to change in quantity demanded, divide by -2, that is the difference of 6 minus 8, multiply by 1 upon 20. -2 and 20 is equal to -40. And here I am getting -2 equal to delta Q upon -40. Minus sign will cut, and by rewriting this value, delta Q equal to 40 multiply 2. We will cross multiply the values to know the change in quantity demanded. that is delta Q, and delta Q can be calculated by cross multiplying 40 by 2. 40 into 2, that is 80. Okay, here we are getting change in quantity demanded. So we will write the formula of change in quantity demanded. Q, delta Q is equal to Q2 minus Q1, and delta Q is 80, Q2 is not mentioned, minus Q1 is 160. 80 equal to Q2 minus 160. We will rewrite this equation by changing sides. Q2 minus 160 is equal to 80. After then, by putting this constant number 2 on that other side, Q2 is equal to 80. When we will transfer this negative value to this side, the negative sign will be changed to positive sign. 80 plus 160, and by adding both these values, 240 will be the answer. It means if the price falls to rupees 6 from rupees 8, the quantity demanded will be increased to 240 units from 160 units. Earlier, consumer was consuming 160 units at a price of rupees 8. Price falls to rupees 6, and after fall in price, the consumption will increase and the quantity demanded by a consumer is also increased, and this rise in demand is 240 units. Okay.